In this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok account step by step. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Creating a TikTok account lets you follow other users, engage with content, and post your own videos. So let's get started. First, download the TikTok app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll likely land on the login page, but since we're creating a new account, tap Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. Now, I'll show you how to sign up using your email. You can also use your phone number or a third-party platform, but in this example, we'll go with email. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Next, create a password. Make sure it's between 8 and 20 characters long and includes at least one letter, one number, and one special character. Once you've entered your password, tap Continue. Then, select your birth date and tap Continue again. After that, you'll be asked to choose a nickname or username. Type it in and tap Continue. Your TikTok account is now created. You may be asked if you want to enable personalized ads. This step is optional. To access your profile, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap Edit Profile to upload a profile picture and customize your username. And that's it. You've successfully created your TikTok account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.